Hey babes, so let's get into this. Okay, so today I'm doing a closure install, honey. Mini frontal install to be exact. So you'll see me laying down that lace and all that. But while I get into this hair, let's talk about this story time. So, child, this is a story time about how my client tried to scam me. Literally, my client, okay? Like, that is so messed up. So basically, I did her hair, y'all, and it was like a really cute style. And it was a braid style. Like I'm talking like a 6 to 7 hour long braid style, okay? Mind you, she came to my shop. I had to take her hair out, then do the braids, wash it, all of that. You feel me? Like I did a lot for this girl. And I knew her since high school, so I would have never expected for her to try to play with me like that. So y'all, literally, I do her hair, all that. At the end of it, she like, oh, babe, I don't have cash. I only got Cash App. And y'all, around this time, I was not taking Cash App because a lot of people were getting scammed through Cash App. So I was just like, no, I am not about to take that chance, honey, because ain't no bitch finna play with me, okay? Because then I'm gonna have to revert to the old lay and whoop some ass. And I really didn't want to do that. You feel me? So I'm like, you know what? I trust her. She been coming to me for years, like 4 or 5 years. My bad, on mother duties. But anyways, literally knew her for like 4 or 5 years, like all throughout high school. And then I was probably doing her hair for about a good 2 years. So it's like a 6 year of knowing this girl total. So I'm like, okay, she ain't gonna play with me with no cash app. So yeah, I'll do it for you, boo. It's okay. You don't gotta run to the ATM. Cause at this point, y'all, by the time I got to her hair, it was probably like 12 o'clock in the morning. Cause we did start late, but still, it was like 12 o'clock. So okay. Her total was, I think, like literally 280, and she gave me a $20 tip, so it was like $300 total. She sends it to me on Cash App, plus the little $5 so I could get on my money, okay, period. Cause look, if you use the Cash App, baby, I need the extra fee, period, blank, blank, period. So she sent me like 305 on Cash App. So y'all, at this point, she sent me the money while I was doing the finishes touches on her hair or whatever, and I'm getting ready to go home. Her ride is taking forever, and then she was about to order a lift, and I'm like, girl, no, like, because, like I said, I knew her, like, really knew her for real. So I'm like, no, don't worry about it, girl. I'll take you home. Because my house was literally, like, right next to the shop. Her house was probably, like, a couple blocks from the shop. So I'm like, you know what? I don't mind. I'll take the little detour. You just spent big money with me. Like, yeah, like, I'm gonna look out, and I'm gonna take you home. Y'all, I takes her home, and I'm thinking, okay, that's just that. The next day, I'm checking my books, seeing what appointments I got coming through, and out of nowhere, I'm getting a dispute request. And I'm like, what? And it's telling me that $305, well, $300 was deducted from my account, y'all. Like, literally, they didn't snatch it from my business account. They snatched this shit from my personal account. Oh, baby, I was on fire. I was on fire. Cause I'm like, I know you lying. Like, I know you lying. So I'm like, you know what? Before I get all hyped up and get upset, let me talk to her. Let me get her up. So I'm calling. No response. I'm texting, no response. And I'm trying to keep it professional. I'm not trying to get out of character. So I say to her, hey, babe, I don't know what's going on or if it was a mistake or something, but I just got a dispute charge and they took the entire amount that you paid me last night. So I let an hour go by. Still no response. So, y'all, I let the whole day go by and I still didn't hear back from this girl, okay? So I submit my dispute claim on my end because that's why I love Square. If you don't have Square, baby, use Square. Especially when you taking money and stuff like that from your clients via card or whatever, use Square. So I was able to submit my own claim against her. And I put the pictures up, proving that I did her hair, proving that she received the service from me and all of that to clear my name because, baby, I ain't going out like that. Your girl is always covered, okay? Period, point blank. So, the next day comes about. I text her again, hey, did you receive my message? So I'm seeing her, she's reading the messages, y'all. Yes. This bitch put me over here. Okay, the girl had me on red and was not responding at all. But I think she forgot that I knew where she lived. Baby, it was finna go down. The old lady done came out and took over. Cause at this point, you done scammed me. You done got you a free hairstyle. That took me about 7 hours to do. And you think I'm finna go out like that? Yeah, no, I'm not finna go out like that. You got me messed up if you think I'm finna go out like that. Like, so the next day, I go to the shop, I finish up my clients early, and yeah, I had to pull up on old girl, because baby, the old lady came out and it was go time. It was no stopping me. So I knocked on her door. Yeah, I'm sure did. I knocked on that door, honey. I was not playing. I ain't know who was finna answer. The mom, the grandma, the kids, the brother, sister. I don't care who it was. But somebody was finna give me $300. And that was just that on that. Cause baby, like, how you gonna scam me? And I know where you live at. Like, make it make sense. It just don't make sense. At least if you gonna scam me, look, I don't want to know who you are. Like, cover your tracks, baby. You gotta cover your tracks if you're gonna do it. Do it right. Period. Pull up in the house, knocks on the door, knock, 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 real polite. I said, hi. Let's call her. Let's call her little scammy. I said, hi, is little scammy here? I think it was a little brother that answered, and he screams her name to the top of his lungs. Somebody at the door for you. So she comes to the door. I'm sorry, she didn't come to the door. Her mom came to the door. Okay. Mind you, this girl is grown. She is not a child. She's my age. She is grown, honey, in her 20s. Like, she's not a kid. So I'm like, what is the mom comes to the door for? Like, what you think your mom finna check me when you scam me? Oh, baby, I ain't even to go out like that. So I'm trying to keep it cute. I'm trying to keep it polite because I'm at somebody's house, you know. You don't want to buy a house if you ain't prepared. Period. That's rule number one, okay? But baby, I was prepared. So, so the mom asked me, hi, who are you here for? And I say, little scammy. She said, well, what's going on? I said, well, I'm the stylist who did her hair, how it is now. I brought her home last night. She paid me via Cash App. And now, yesterday, the money was snatched out of my account. She owes me $300 and I need my money. So she's like, she did what? I'm like, yeah, she disputed the charge and took the money back from me. And I brought her home last night. So her mom says to me, honey, oh, well, sweetheart, I'm sorry, I don't have $300. You will have to take that out with little scammy. I said, yeah, I would like to do that. Can you bring her to the door, please? So she yells her name. Her mom is pissed because all I kept hearing her say was, I ain't raised you to do nothing like that to people. I ain't raised you to do nothing like that to people. I was like, oh, her mom is pissed, honey. Eh. So she comes to the door. Before I could even say a word, y'all, guess what? Comment down below what you think happened. Do you think she wanted the fight? Do you think she said that she didn't mean to dispute it? Or do you think she handed me the money? Comment down below. Pause this, comment down below. Okay, so if you guessed it, baby, she came to the door with that $300 in cash, honey. Handed it to me and said, I am so sorry. I did not mean to dispute it. So if you said both of those things, baby, it was both. You were right, okay? She said, I didn't mean to dispute it. Literally, somebody stole my card and the bank disputed all the charges. I said, you know they go through every charge with you if your card has been stolen. It asks you to verify if you made the purchase or if the thief made the purchase. I said, so I'm not buying the whole, oh, they disputed everything because you could have let them know, oh, everything other than the $300 is what I didn't spend. But instead, you disputed that as well, so you were trying to play with me. And I appreciate that. I was like, girl, I know you since high school. Like, that's what you want to do. But child, yeah, that was the story about me. Shit, getting scammed, but baby got that money back. Don't play with your girl. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. So yeah, I only accept cash now, baby. I learned my mother freaking lesson. If y'all want another story time, comment down below. That y'all loved it. Let me know your thoughts. But yeah, this is the true story too. Like this really happened. Ain't no cabin over here, baby. This really happened. So, if you're interested in more story times, let me know. Love y'all. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to click the link in my bio to shop on my Amazon storefront. I have a whole bomb ass wig list for y'all of Amazon wigs that I've tried before and that my clients have tried that are really, really good and affordable. Like y'all see her hair. Don't play with it. Like, yeah, get into it. Love y'all. Bye.